Is Grandpa using a blow dryer?
What do you think? That's okay. Getting wet, getting wet. Oh, let me take a picture. I want to send it to my friend. It work or not? Huh? It work or not? Huh?
This is Grandpa. And it's actually working.
Eh?